So we have a Henry, and I want to put an LED light right over here. So let's find out a way to do this. We gotta remove the bottom. Here I have some small LED lights that I bought a long time ago. I did some customs before, and here they are, very small LED lights. I think this is gonna work just fine. I'm gonna put it right here. So I got a bent these legs on this LED light this way, and I think it's gonna work just fine. Okay, let's begin. On this Talking Trackmaster Henry, you need to remove only 3 screws, 1 in the front and 2 on the back. And with that, you can have access to the circuit board and the gearbox right here.
Hello, I'm Henry.
So let's find out which is positive and which negative. Okay, it's not working like that. And here it is. Oh, barely touches. Yes, so we find out which is positive and negative. There you go. Excellent. So the next step, I gotta remove these lamps, sorry, with my knife. Just easy as it, like this. Excellent. And now I gotta make a way to make a hole, maybe right over here, and it's gonna look like this. It's not gonna be perfect, but I think yes, right there. So I'm gonna use my solder iron tool. I'm gonna make a hole right here on this line. There it goes. A little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. I think I gotta push it all the way in. There, excellent. I think that's good enough. Now let's remove the excess of this plastic, melted plastic. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, now a little test. Let's see if this goes through or no. Yes, no, yep. It's coming out. Yep, excellent. I gotta do something else. Yes, I gotta do something else with this LED light. I'm gonna use my Dremel and do a little grinding right here on this flange part on the, I think it's a flange. This little thing on the LED light. I'm trying to make it flat. There, probably you can see right there. Okay. Now I gotta bend it again. There you go. Excellent. Now let's find out if this thing is working or no. Okay, a little bent. I gotta bend these legs again. Like that. Excellent. A little spread. I gotta spread them a little bit like that. Excellent. So in this case I'm using a little bit of hot glue, silicone, to keep it in place. Now that it's cooled down, I gotta measure the wire. Just rough measurement like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. Let's do a little cut right here, and I got to strip the tip of these wires to expose the metal wires like that. Excellent. So this is the positive, and the other one negative. The long leg on the LED light is the positive, and the short leg is the negative. Oops. There you go. Excellent. Now that it's cooled down, I can release, and I gotta find a way to this housing for the screw is not just let me work around. Let's see. Excellent. There you go. Now remember, I showed you at the beginning that the positive was located right here on the exterior, and the negative is the interior part, I mean solder right there. Excellent. Now a little test. It looks good to me. Good. Now don't forget to put the button, and let's see if this thing fits and works. You gotta find the way around to make it fit. Excellent. Now with the screws in, this is going to be really easy once you are done with the soldering. Don't forget to tighten down the screws. Now let's do a little test.
Hello, I'm Henry.
And it's looking really good. Look at that. Really bright LED light. Nice. Excellent, excellent. And this is the way to do a quick custom LED light, Talking Henry, and it works almost the same for all the models. It's the Trackmaster era, the old ones, and the LED looks pretty steady. It doesn't go up or down. I mean, the brightness doesn't go low. Good. So I'm gonna cut a little bit here the excess of this silicone, and I think that's pretty much good. I don't want to put any housing, so I just did a rant video how to put the LED light. Alright, I hope you like it.